everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today is Wednesday, June the 13th, and it is prep day for your groceries. So for those of us who are doing the low spend challenge sponsored by Amanda at the Fundamental Home and Tangi from Freedom Homestead, today's calendar item is for you to prep for your grocery shop trip. And for those of you who have been following me for any length of time, you know I shop at a grocery store called Harris Teeter. So I'm trying to do this really quickly. That's why I'm not showing you my face. So this is how I do my grocery shop trip prep every single week, whether it's for the challenge or not. Because a lot of people ask me, is couponing difficult? Does it take a lot of time? So I'm going to show you exactly how I go through, and you'll see for me, my process is very simple and easy. So I know how much money I have to spend this week. I have $30 for my groceries. And I'm going to the HarrisTeeterDeals.com. This is for the weekly ad for 6/13 through 6/19. So that's what this is right here. So what I'm doing is I'm going to look at this ad and I'm going to say in my mind, okay, what do I have to have and what's on sale, first of all. So what looks good to me are the watermelons for $2.99, the strawberries for buy one, get one free, because I know we need fruit in the house. I am not doing peanut butter because of the points on Weight Watchers. I don't have any Dunkin' Donuts coupons, so this coffee is out. I have more laundry soap than I need and no gain coupons, so that's out. Okay, we're not drinking sodas, so that's out. The only other thing on this page that catches my attention are these little bites, and the kids really like the little bites. But again, that's a carb, that's a sweet. I'm not sure that that's something I want to do for this week, but I keep a mental note of it because maybe. Then I'm going to the next page. So this is the next page, and I've got to figure out what's on sale here that I might be able to have coupons for. So I'm looking. Oscar Mayer lunch meat might be one. Maybe not. I'll have to see if I have a coupon. But it's $5.99. It's not buy one, get one free. This week I know I'm looking for cheap. So here I have green beans. The Green Giant green bean. Oh, these are Libby's. Libby's green beans, peas or corn. That's 10 for 8 or 80 cents a piece. Tomatoes are 10 for 10. That's a cheap item that I could possibly get. Down here I have pinto beans or black beans. That's a cheap item I know that I could get. Looking. Up here I don't have any other coupons, and we don't need any of those other items. So I'm going to the next page, and I'm going to scroll back up to see what is offered. Okay, we don't drink, so that's out. Crackers are maybe. Townhouses buy one, get one free, but I have a Nabisco's, but they're 2 for $6, so they're out for this week. Keep scrolling. Always look at my toothpaste deals. Too high and my coupons not the best, so I'm going to keep moving. Okay, this is catching my eye. I do have coupons for Lar bars. These would be 50 cents, 2 for 50 cents. And then the Pig Sweet Steamable Veg is buy one, get one free. So I'm always looking for veg deals. The other thing is almond milk. That might be something that the kids could possibly have because we do have cereal in the pantry. Okay, quickly scrolling. Okay, so here's something that might be of interest. The pineapples are $2.99. Also, chicken breast is $1.99 per pound. That's a little expensive for me, so I'm going to keep scrolling. We are coming to the end of the ad. So let's see what's on sale. The kids like these little Simply Clear waters. They're 59 cents. These are cheaper than the ones at Aldi or the ice waters. And see if you can see them. Oh, these right here, they're cheaper than the ice waters, and they're bigger. So that's something that might be good. Also over here are the Harris Teeter fruit cups, the 4 in a package, so $1.49. That's something that I might consider, as well as the waffles. The Harris Teeter waffles are $2.99, so that might be an item that we would consider. Again, I'm working with a $30 budget, so I'm just scanning through my ad sales, and I have to scan quickly because I don't have a lot of time. So back to this page here, these are mostly meat deals and spices. Not doing any of that this week. It's not on the budget. plan. Sodas are a no. Chips are a no. Okay, Bush's baked beans are 10 for 10. I think I have coupons for this one, so I'll keep that in the back of my mind. Relish is also on sale. I have coupons for this one. And then Mayfield's treats are on sale, and I have coupons for those. Scroll, scroll, scroll. I have yogurt coupons. I also have Pop-Tart coupons. Back to the top of this one. Doesn't look like anything on there is going to fit into my $30 budget this week, so I'm just going to scroll. Okay, now here's the last of it. So on here, I could look at the peaches, which are 99 cents a pound, but that might be a little expensive for me. The carrots, 4 for $5, which are a good snack. And then Sargento's cheese is buy one, get one free. So always look at cheese. And then the bananas are 49 cents a pound. So that pretty much takes me to the end of, oh, and here are my hot dog buns that are 47 cents this week. They're normally 79, but because I'm an eVic member, they're 47 cents, and there's a limit weekly of 4. So not 4 per day, but 4 per card for the week. So that takes me pretty much back to the front of my ad. Okay, so after I've gone through my shop list, and I actually look at that every week because I can get that online and I don't have to have the paper and it's all around the house. I just look online. Then I sit down with just a regular normal pad and I'll make out my grocery list. So I'm not counting in this gift card because that's something totally different. So that's out. I'm only going down here to count in what's on my grocery budget for my $30 that I have to spend. So the things that I wrote down that are potentials for me for this week is the watermelon, the strawberries, the tomatoes, the Lara bars, the Bush's baked beans, community coffee, cereal, or the cereal. So after I do that, then I have to decide what am I actually going to put on my list for Harris Teeter based on the coupons that I have and the $30 that I have. So I'm going to keep on here the strawberries, which are buy one, get one free, the tomatoes, the Lara bars, the Bush's baked beans, the community coffee, the Kellogg's cheese, the Sargentos, the Vlasic relish, carrots, eggs, fruit, Pop-Tarts, and then frozen fruit, which I wrote that down at the end that there was something I might put on my list. So now still I know that's over my $30. So now I have to start making some hard choices and decisions. Okay. So when I went to the go into the grocery store, I have to prep my coupons. So my Bush's baked bean coupon is out. So that's off the list, period. I'm not going to pay $1 for it because I have plenty of baked beans in the pantry closet. If I had a coupon and it was going to be free, I would definitely get it. But because my coupon is out, that's off the list. Tomatoes. I have 2 cans of tomatoes in the pantry. I was going to do chili this week, but it's just not working out in my favor. So tomatoes are going off the list. If I have to get cereal, that means I'm going to have to get milk. And milk is still about $2 to $3. So I'm going to cross that off my list. So as I slowly go through, I'm now able to figure out what I can and can't purchase. First based on sales, then based on coupons, and then based on how much money I have to spend. So my Sargento cheese, I think I have a coupon that might work for this. And then the relish, which is here, I was going to get that for tuna, but I only have 4 cans of tuna and I already have 3 cans of relish. 3 jars of relish. So for this week, because I'm maintaining my monies, I don't need the relish. Then I write the list over again because now I'm really making some decisions. Of course, I'm taking the baked beans off because that was a no. The Lara bars, I was getting that for a friend of ours, just somebody at the church. We don't eat them. And they would take out of my grocery budget for this week, so they go off the list. Then I have the strawberries. They are a must because Alana likes those, and they're buy one, get one free. The community coffee, I have $4 off of 2 of these. So I'm going to keep this on the list because it's going to end up being really, really cheap. And then eggs normally run us $2.69. So that's not bad for 2.5 dozen. So I'm going to keep it on the list. If we can get it for $2.69, I'll get it. If not, we'll just keep moving. My Mexican theme for this week is not panning out like I planned. So I'm actually crossing out tortilla chips, but I am going to keep the chili on for chili dogs. So pretty much this is the process of how I'm thinking about my grocery shop trip. And then what I will do next is I'll go ahead and grab up my coupons and I'll place them here with my notebook or my list or whatever, so that as I'm going through the grocery store, it makes it simple for me to just stick to the plan. This week is a stick to the plan week. I don't have any wiggle room. There is no extra. So I have to stick to the plan. So I'll go ahead and pull my list. I'll pull my coupons. I'll make sure that I check my sales one last time, and then I'll make the hard choices and decisions for that $30 that I have to spend. So anyway, this is the process for how I just kind of think about my grocery shop trips for the week. And this is how I come to really make those hard decisions of what I can and cannot purchase based on what the monies that I have. The next thing I'll do is go to my grocery store, walk it the same way I do every time, and then make my choices. So I hope this video was helpful to you just to figure out how to try to put together your grocery shop trip for the week during low spend. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below in the comment section. We'll be happy to answer those as best as we can to the best of our ability. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel, and we'll see you next time we prep. Bye now.